Welcome to Affiliate Arc. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple two-step sales funnel in System.io for your business. Let's go. So now I'm logged into my System.io account, and in this, here you'll see the dashboard. To create a funnel, we'll just click on the menu here at the top right, and in the drop down menu, you'll see the option funnels. We just have to click on the funnels and it will open up a new window for us. Now to start creating a funnel, we'll create a very basic funnel. We'll just go here and click on this blue colored button, create. Now it will ask you to name the funnel so that in the dashboard when you log in, you'll be able to go to that funnel to see its performance later on once it goes live. So we'll just name it as exercise funnel. And what we're intending to do, what we want to do is collect the emails of the people who are landing on the funnel landing page. So we'll choose this, build an audience. We'll scroll down a bit and click on create. Now the funnel has been created. As you can see in the left hand side, there are two components to this funnel: a squeeze page, a thank you page. A squeeze page is basically a page where someone who clicks on a link, and ends up on a page. After someone clicks on the link, they are redirected to a page. That is what we call as a landing page. Some people call it as a squeeze page. And thank you page is basically a page that loads when someone enters their email address and name to subscribe to your email list, or maybe if you have a giveaway like we are going to do now, they will be able to see this page once they've entered their name and their email. So let's start creating our squeeze page. So we click on the squeeze page and it will show all the templates that are there, that are available to you, that you can use. You just have to customize the content, the text on these pages. So we'll create a very simple landing page, squeeze page. So we'll just click on, say, this, the 3-step system to sell on autopilot. We'll just click on select. In case if you just want to see how that particular landing page looks, you can click on the preview and it will show you the preview of the appearance, how that landing page will appear to the visitor. So in our case, now that we've chosen this, I'll click on select. Alright, so we'll just say, by default it says squeeze page because it is a squeeze page, right? If we want, we can just name it as, and since our funnel is about giving away or capturing the email list of the people who want to subscribe to our list, where we can send them emails about staying fit by doing exercises at home, different fitness tips that you can send in the email and all those things. So we'll just name it as exercise squeeze page. Now what we can do is click here. If you want that it should not be appearing like just a random combination of numbers and alphabets, you can just click here and you can just say landing page. Right now, once this is done, come here and click on this button. It says edit page. Click on the edit page. Now it will open up that landing page, that template that we just selected. Okay, so it will load here and we can just click here to edit this. It's very simple. Whatever content or whatever text that you want to edit or customize or change, you just have to go on that text and double click on it. Okay, it automatically selects the text and you can just type in. So in our case, we'll just say subscribe to get daily fitness tips in your inbox. Okay, all right. Here it mentions enter your name and email address to receive the free training, video training. Okay, so we can just add here subscribe to get the free video training and daily fitness tips in your inbox. Okay, so we are just kind of giving them an additional incentive, additional benefit of subscribing to our email list. Okay, once this is done, if you're okay, we can just scroll down a bit and here the form is as is, so we just don't need to change. Okay, the form is embedded in this, so you can actually choose what field you want. Do you want the name? Do you want the phone number? Do you want a zip code? The last name, whatever it is that you want. So in this case we just want their first name, so we'll just have it here. All right, and if you click here on your email, we have this drop down menu here, correct? So we can just select email. There's one thing, that if you just don't want this your name to appear here, what you can do is just click in this box below the placeholder and you can just type in enter your name. Okay, we just click here save changes in the top right corner and the changes have been saved. You can also click here and just mention enter your email. We'll again go here and save changes. Okay, if you want, you can also change the text of this button. Okay, so what you can do is just scroll down a bit and you will be able to see under the typography, you will see this section called button text. We'll just add it, send me the free video training. Okay, now if you see, this text is showing here. We just added the word free, to make it more attractive, to just give an additional incentive. It's a psychological thing, like for someone to see free. If you add this, there's kind of an psychological thing that happens, that people, if they see the word free, they are like much more inclined to subscribe. So we'll just click here save. Now what we need to do is, if you see this button send me the free video training, what do we want to happen after that person clicks on the send me the free video training? All right, so you see this action when button clicked, you click on this, all right, and say send form, or you can just say next step URL. Basically this is something which you want or which you use when you don't have a thank you page and you just want to redirect them to some other page. Okay, that is also something that can happen. So but just for the sake of simplicity, for your understanding, we'll just keep it as send form. All right, now where do you want to send them? As it says, do you want to redirect users after contact registration to the next step? Okay, and if you remember, we saw in our dashboard right below the squeeze page there's a thank you page. Okay, so that thank you page is the next step. You click on it. If you don't want that person to go to thank you page, you can just click here custom URL. It will add additional text field and you just copy paste the URL where you want that person to go to instead of the thank you page. So again, for the simplicity, we'll just keep it to the next step. Okay, and we'll just click save changes. Now we'll just preview how the page looks. We just click on this I button and it should show. Right, so if you see whatever we added, okay, whatever changes we made to the landing page, it's visible here. So we'll close this. And now once we've saved the changes, we'll exit. To exit, there's this button, there's an arrow that points towards the right. Just click on it and you'll exit and go back to your funnel. Okay, if you remember, the page that we saw, okay, I just want to give you a preview of this. Okay, I'll just click on this. Do you see this text? it's called squeeze page. We can change this. Now we'll go to the thank you page. Okay, we'll just edit it. Even for the thank you page, there are multiple options that you have. There are a lot of templates that are out there. So again, we'll just keep it simple. All right, and we'll just select either one of this. Okay, so we'll just choose this. Say select. All right, now the name is here, so we'll keep it as is. All right, and we'll just rename this as thank you page. All right, click save. Now we'll click here to edit the page. Okay, so we'll just edit. Okay, what we said on the landing page was that we are going to send them free video training. All right, so we'll come here. Okay, and we'll just edit this. Your free video training is on its way to your inbox. Right, this is more than sufficient, right? So what I really want to highlight here is that just putting thank you message is like missing out an opportunity to create more engagement, to allow the visitor or the new subscriber to engage more. So usually nowadays it's a trend that you redirect them, or you take them to another online asset of yours. In this case, it's the Facebook group. Say if they subscribe to your email list, you can just say, okay, thank you for subscribing. Now if you can, or if you want, you can join our Facebook group. That's it. So what you have to do is just type in here. Okay, so it's already there, so we won't make any changes. We can change this. Join hundreds of passionate people who are ready to keep themselves fit, okay, and help each other to stay fit. Now this gives a little bit of an idea of what your Facebook group is. Okay, now once this is done, what you have to do is just go to this button. Okay, click on this button. In the left hand side you see this option. If you remember, we had seen these kind of options, correct? So what we really want to do is, if the person wants to join the Facebook group, we want them that once they click on this blue button, they should be taken to that Facebook group page, Facebook group. So just click on this button. All right, choose the open URL. It's already there. Okay, and here's the URL. This is where you will actually enter the URL of your Facebook group. You can choose whether you want it to open in a new window, it will open a new tab, or you just want to open it in the same window. So no new tab will be opened, but the person will be taken to the Facebook group in the same tab. So we'll just keep it as open in a new window. Okay, once the change is made, click on save changes. All right, and we'll just click on preview. So this is our thank you page. Okay, so we'll just make a little change here. Okay, we'll just add, just for the better understanding, we'll just add facebook.com. all right, so maybe even just say, just for the sake of understanding, we'll say twitter.com. so we can just change it, like if you want, we can just change it as follow us on Twitter. Okay, and we can just edit this also, where we can say get daily fitness tips right? We'll just say it this way. Okay, now we can come here, we can just click on this. All right, and we've already mentioned twitter.com. If we want, we'll just click here and we'll just say follow us on Twitter. That's it. If you want to change the font or the font size, you can just come here and just increase it or decrease it. Same goes for your landing page. You can also choose the fonts. Okay, so in this case we've just chosen same font as the page. Now we'll just click save changes, click on preview. All right, it will reload. Right, the changes that we've made are showing on this page. If you want, you can either, you can then go move on to just click here. You can add a link to it, so someone clicks on this icon, they'll be taken to your Facebook group. Here's the YouTube link icon, sorry, and if someone clicks on this icon, they'll be taken to your YouTube channel. Here's the Instagram icon, and if someone clicks on the Instagram icon, they'll be taken to your Instagram account. Okay, so that's all there is. This is probably the most easiest way and the simplest software out there, one of the simplest software out there that you can use to make a funnel, a sales funnel for your business. I hope this has helped you to understand how you can use, I hope this has helped you to learn how you can use System.io to create a sales funnel for your business. And the best part about this is System.io has free plan. There are no trial version as such. It has a free plan where you can create funnels for your business, and just as I showed you, there are options for you to take a free plan. There is also 3 additional paid plans that you can choose if you think that you need more funnels, and if you are getting good traffic, you are getting good traction, you will be able to upgrade it at a very affordable cost, that is just around $27. So I hope this has helped you, and if you've liked this video, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.